Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Vanguard error ban 57. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Task Manager. Then you just need to write on processes write client and completely close write client tasks here. Should be no tasks available on this window. Okay. Next thing what you need to do here, you need to look for VG tray or VGC. Should be no VGC available for you here, right? Then what you need to do here is you can close this, go to installed apps. Then here you need to look for Vanguard, right? Vanguard, press on the three dots, uninstall it. And after you got uninstalled it, then launch Riot Client. Then select League of Legends and press update. Then wait until update process is done. And after update, you should get this message here. Your game requires system restart to play. Don't worry, you just need to go to services and search. Click on one of the tasks here and press V until you see VGC. Then right click on it, go to properties, make sure startup type automatic, and then make sure to start it. Then wait for a couple of seconds until it's done. And after it's done, you just need to press apply and OK. Right? Apply OK. Then you need to go to Task Manager, go to Startup Apps, look for Riot Client, make sure to enable, and then VG tray, make sure to enable as well. And that's basically it.